Interviewing John, 2:45 a.m. John, why did you hand yourself in? John, answer the question. Why? You're being interviewed. Why did you hand yourself in?
It's life, isn't it?
Did you ever feel guilty for what you did?
Guilt. I don't regret anything.
What were your reasons?
Reasons for what?
Reasons for what you did.
What did I do?
John, how did you become who you are today?
My deaths. The deaths. They've grown me as a person.
Why did you keep Mills alive when you had first captured him? Was there a reason?
I knew you'd ask that question. No comment.
So John, have you ever been in love?
Love. 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 No. Never. No. Never been in love. Stop the thing.